Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So take a look at this gold. We want to see where this gold is going for the week. But before we actually get started, right, I actually did analysis for today, which is on Monday 2. I told you guys that you should be expecting a pullback on this our gold. Is that we have this pullback at this level, but we see gold break out and have a pullback at this level, right? I told you that there will be a pullback within two levels, so yeah, within area. But guess what? We actually add this pullback today, right? So that is to tell you that this gold, I think once the pullback is over, which I don't even think is over, but once the pullback is over, we will continue this bullish move. But we want to take a look at what this price will be moving for this week, right? So in order to be able to predict this price movement for this week, we are going to start from the higher time frame. We are going to analyze it from the higher time frame downward to the 4-hour time frame and why we're placing source trade. So now let's start it from the monthly time frame now, right? Let's see it on the monthly time frame. So first of all, we would want to see this movement that started from here. This price movement started since 2015. Gold was bullish, right? We see that gold was giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Gold was bullish then. And I've also included this moving average, which is 10-period moving average. The reason why I included it is to guide us on this our trend, to help us on our trend. We all know that once this price is above the moving average, then it is a long. We are to go long, right? We are to buy. But once it is below our moving average, we have to short it. So for some time, this price was above our moving average. We actually went long. So we see this level that I highlighted here, right? Price has rejected this level multiple times. We saw price came to this same level. We now see a huge candlestick wick here, which means price rejected, price dropped. We saw price rose up again, came to this same level again. Guess what we had again? A rejection, price drop. So we would now highlight another level where price has been rejected to. So this is the level price has been rejected to. We saw that price came to this same level here, right? Price gave us a pullback at the same level, right? Then price broke above it. Once price broke above it, it came to this high, which is we can call as a resistance. Then price dropped again, came to this same level. You see that price tested this level. You see that price has also reacted to this level. Price react to this level. It went up. Price dropped again, came to this same level. It went up, right? You can see that price actually came to this same level, right? And then price later push up, which is more visible on the daily time frame or weekly time frame. Price came to that same level, rejected. So we can take these lows as a support and as the resistance level. So eventually price dropped, see price broke below it, then price later corrected itself. Now price is going bullish. Now you can see that price has gone bullish. So if you are following this channel consistently, especially on the weekly time frame, I did analysis on the weekly time frame. I told you guys that for the week that gold will actually get to a level of 1,800. You can go back to confirm, right? Gold has actually got into that level. Actually, I think we even broke above it. We got to a level of 1,803, right? So I told you guys, watch out for a level of 1,800 before a pullback would be made. But gold gave us that, a price to 1,803, right? Those who went bullish have gone, right? So now let's take a look at this moving average, right? Where we would want to move this price for this week. So to predict this price for the week, we would want to see where this moving average is. What is the moving average saying? We saw that previously price was below the moving average, right? One of the reasons why we are actually short this price, we're selling on our gold. But now this price has gone up. And guess what? It has broken above our moving average. Those of you that know how to trade this moving average, you all know once price breaks above this moving average, that is an indication that price is on a bullish move. Price is going to push up. We still have some amount of bullish moves to be made. Even if, let's just assume, if this price is going to reject and drop, at least before that, price needs to go further up, right? Price needs to still push up before it rejects. So I highlighted this level, told you guys watch out for a level of 1,800. We actually got it. Now price has broken above this moving average. That is to tell that we are on a bullish move. Notice this was the month of November, right? This is 11 November. We actually opened and closed bullish. So take a look at the bullish move we made on this gold, right? So actually made a bullish move on gold. Now take a look at this gold. Now we are going to be making a new bullish move, right? So this is a new bullish move that is made, right? So we've actually gone bullish. So we still have some bullish move that needs to be made on gold. So that is to tell you that throughout this December, we still want to see good amount of bullish move. Let's see for this December or this week if we'll be able to take out this level of 1,835. So Like I told you guys, now that there's a pullback for this week, let us watch out for a level of 1,835. We've gotten to a level of 1,800, right? So the next level I want you guys to watch out for is 1,835 on our gold. So that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So now take a look at this weekly time frame. You want to see this trend on the weekly time frame. What can you see here? Clearly, you can see a bullish move, right? So we can take a look at this as an higher highs. We saw this highs, right? Price gave us a pullback at this level. You will notice that price rejected this level 3 times. We saw a rejection here, right? Price came to this same level. We had a rejection, which gave us a huge candlestick wedge. We saw the second time price came here, rejected here. We saw it the third time, price came here, rejected. 3 times price failed to break this lows. Then price went up and again, new highs was made that broke this previous highs. So that is to tell you itself that this is clearly a bullish move on gold. So there's nothing you should be taking off than to go long on gold. So now take a look at this movement that was made, a pullback, right, on this gold. You can see this pullback. There was a bearish move on this gold, right? Gold has given us a pullback. So what next do we expect on this gold, right? You now expect a new bullish move on this gold. So that is to tell you that this gold, right, we would be going bullish, right? So we've actually gone bullish. We still need to go bullish again. So this week that we are predicting for, that we are trying to talk about, that we are talking for, we should see a price to give us that bullish move. Notice last week here, this is the movement for last week. Price gave us a bullish move. We actually opened and closed bullish. The week that just finished that I talked about last week, right? We actually got to a level of 1,800 that I told you guys, this is it, we've gone bullish. So this week that we are just predicting for, which is December 5, December 5, is it December 5 to December 9, right? So would expect a bullish move also on this gold. So gold expects a bullish move. Now take a look at this movement itself. We can take a look at this moving average. We can see that this price was below the moving average. Now price has broken above this moving average, especially when you want to analyze it on the weekly time frame. You can see that this price is above our moving average. So there's only one movement you all should be making, which is to actually go long on this gold. So this gold, this is clearly to tell you that this we are having a bullish move on this gold, right? So gold, we are to go bullish. Expect our price to open and close bullish for this week. Now that should take us to the daily time frame, guys. So now take a look at this daily time frame. So what does this daily time frame tell you? So you can see that this price has gone up to this level, right? So I told you guys that we should be expecting a pullback anytime soon. Guess what? We actually added the pullback at this level, right? So let's see if this pullback, let's see what this Fibonacci says. So you've seen a Fibonacci drop to a level of, close to a level of 38.2. So Fibonacci has given us that pullback, right? So after the pullback, right, we should be expecting another bullish move, right, on this gold. Now take a look at this gold itself. So you can take a look at this movement. We saw price rejected here one, we saw it rejected here twice, 3 times, right? Then we can now take this as an ice. We will see this as a correction on the daily time frame. We will now take this as an ice again. We would now take this as a correction. Here comes a new ice, right? If you were watching this channel consistently, you would have seen how we made a pullback to this level, right? And I told you guys a new ice needs to be made. Guess what? A new ice has been made that broke this previous ice. So when you take a look at this, you see ice, pullback, new ice has been made that broke this previous ice, pullback, new ice was made here, broke this previous ice, right? A pullback was made, and again a new ice has been made that broke this ice. So it makes sense for us to actually have a pullback at this level, right? So we should see our price give us a pullback to test this level. So after this level, what do you expect, guys? Another bullish move. So guys, expect to go long on this gold. So the watch out for a level of 1,835. I've told you guys on in the monthly time frame, this level, we will get to this level, a level of 1,835. If possibly break above this level. So watch out for it. Definitely, we should be breaking above this level. But above all, watch out for a level of 1,835 for this week. We are predicting on this gold. So that is it on our goal. We are to go bullish on the daily time frame. Now let's see what this moving average also says. So notice that on the monthly time frame, the moving average price is above our moving average. You see, price has just broken above this moving average, right? That is to tell you that gold, we have to go long. If you take it to look at this weekly time frame also, you see that this price is above this moving average. still an indication, and it is still telling that you should go long. Now we would want to see what this daily time frame says. What does this daily time frame says? Clearly we can see that this price is above our moving average. So still to tell you that gold, we are to still go low. So from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame, price is above our moving average. So we are to still go long. Like I still tell you, this week we should be expecting a bullish move on this our gold. So let's see if the pullback is over at this level on gold, then expect a bullish move, and we should hit a level of 1,835. And one of the reasons why we are speculating a bullish move on gold is our DXY or USD index. I've done analysis on it. I told you guys that once there's a bearish move on DXY, then we tend to see a bullish move on our gold. But once there's a bullish move on DXY, we tend to see a bearish move on our gold. So take a look at our DXY or USD index as you will call it. So what do you see here? What is the trend for this? This is clearly a bearish move. DXY is giving us a bearish move. USD index is giving us a bearish move. So any other things, whether commodity or currency pairs that we will be trading to USD should give us a bullish move. Since this USD or DXY is bearish, then we expect a bullish move on this gold. So this gold, we expect a bullish move. So gold, we have to still go bullish as long as this DXY will continue to drop. So this is the level I'll be watching out for this DXY to actually come to give us a pullback here. So I will let's start it from here. Let's, for quick analysis, we will see this as a drop. We will take this as a pullback. We will see this as a drop again. Here comes the pullback, right? So we are now expecting a new drop to come to take a level of 103 or 102. So once price can get to the same level, we should expect a pullback. So that is to tell you, as this DXY will be dropping, then be expecting a bullish move on this gold. So gold to USD, expect a bullish move. Now to place this trade, well, let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So we would want to place the trade on the 4-hour time frame. So is the 4-hour time frame actually bullish? Definitely yes. You can see higher highs and higher lows. Assuming it is giving us a movement like this lower lows, lower highs, what I would have just advise is, possibly stay out of this trade. Wait for we see multiple break of structure upward for as a confirmation before we go long. But price is not giving us that bearish move. We are seeing an higher high. So this is a confirmation that price is going bullish. So gold from monthly time frame downward to this 4-hour time frame. Expect a bullish move for this week.